Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review. I filmed this review already, but for some reason the footage did not take, or it got corrupted or something. I really don't know. I had a demo and everything, but if you watched my wash day video, then you saw me using the conditioner. But if not, I'll try to remember, or I need to put clips of me actually using the deep conditioner so you kind of see how it worked on my hair. I would try to I'll try to have that all composed at the end of the video. Yeah, at the end of the video. That way, after I finish reviewing, you can kind of see how it looked on my hair, how I made my curls look, all that jazz. So let's get straight to review. I wrote down a couple things that I disliked about the conditioner, so I can give you guys my honest opinion. So the conditioner is, as you know from the title, it's the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid Fresh Mango and Passion Fruit Mask. This is what the container look. It is 8 ounces. It retails for about $14 to $16. This is how it looks. It's really thick. It does not move, and it's purple, which is my favorite color. So it's a really nice color. It smells good. It smells smells like candy, or a nice like fruity drink or something. It smells really good. So as I said, it smells really good. The smell isn't too strong. It does linger in your hair, but it's not like a really strong scent. It just makes your hair smell so good. I really enjoy how it smelled. It wasn't artificial smelling to me. I'm not entirely sure. If you don't really like fruity smells, or smells that kind of linger in your hair after you wash it out, you may not like it. I don't know how that is. What else? Yeah, the price is kind of expensive, but I think I can get about, because it is so thick and you don't need a lot. Like, you really don't need a lot, because this is after like 2 uses, and I'm about, I want to say maybe halfway through this container, so I get about 4 wash days out of this. So for the price, I think it's worth it for the price, because it works really well. And you get about 4 washes, but my hair is longer, so I'm pretty sure if my hair was shorter, I can get way more washes out of this. And everything. What else? It is really thick. It's creamy. Like, I would recommend applying it to soaking wet hair. I did apply it to damp hair and it was fine, but I feel like it works better on soaking wet hair, especially when you do your hair with warm water. It really allows it to fully penetrate into your hair. Like, it melted into my hair when I did it in the shower versus when I did it out the shower on damp hair and just continuously spraying my hair with water. It worked way better in the shower on soaking wet hair. And it instantly softened my hair. Like, my hair instantly felt super soft. It started to look really shiny. The curls started to pop a lot. Like, I noticed an instant difference in my hair as soon as I put it on and kind of worked it in. As you guys know, I have low porosity hair, therefore I have to really work products in my hair for me to actually get them to penetrate. So it's easier for me to apply products in the shower with the steam and the warm water, because my hair is like soaking up everything, because my cuticles are open. Like I said, it deeply penetrated once I worked it in. It instantly moisturized my hair. It had great slip. I was able to easily detangle. Like, it instantly started melting away. Like, tangles and knots that I was having, I can easily finger detangle it without much effort. And the same thing goes when I went to use like one of my detangling brushes. Like I had no issues using it as a detangler. Like it really helped. And I sat under the blow dryer with it for about an hour, and it just, my hair just soaked every last drop of it up. When I took off the plastic cap, all you saw was the hair. You didn't see any lingering conditioner or anything. My hair really soaked up all the things that this mask was really offering. And yeah, my hair felt soft afterwards. It felt moisturized. The curls were popping. Like I had no issues with the conditioner. I really don't have any cons. My only con would be the price, just because not everybody can afford to buy $15 for an 8-ounce container of the conditioner, because I have another conditioner that I haven't used yet, but I can show you the difference. So I have this conditioner right here. I haven't tried it yet, but compared, like, this conditioner was $6.99. It's 12 ounces. This will last me a lot longer than this, because I've used this brand before, and I haven't tried this particular one, but the one that I've used really works well, and it lasts me a long time. Not a long time. It lasts me about, I want to say, maybe a month. This will probably, well, not a month, like 2 months, depending on how I use it, if I don't use it as a pre-poo. So yeah, this will last me a lot longer than this. And yeah, that's it. So let me know if you tried this conditioner before. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you have tried any Main Choice conditioner. This is only the second Main Choice conditioner I had. I haven't really tried anything else for the Main Choice, because they are very expensive. Hey, if they want to sponsor a video, that's a different story, but we're not there yet. But let me know what you guys think of the conditioner. Would you buy it? Would you not? I would recommend it if you can afford it. If not, there are cheaper alternatives that are still great. Let me know if there are any deep conditioners you recommend for me to try. I'm always willing to try deep conditioners. That to me shows me whether or not I can buy anything else from that particular brand or line. If it doesn't work, I really don't fool with any other products like that, just because I know, like, if the deep conditioner doesn't work, then I know nothing else will work. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below anything that you would like to see, anything that you would recommend, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.